What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So let's take a look at SoFi Technologies. Looks like it has bottomed right around here at this mid $6 level, and we have seen a nice rally take place from there. There was a lot of support built up. You can see there was support back here on October 30th and early to mid-November. And now even late November, it's starting to find support again right around this level. So the bears are having a hard time pushing through this level, and we're seeing a nice rally take place. So we'll see how long this rally can go for. But as right now, we do have this upward trend line. We can draw off the lows and prices above it. So this is showing nice upward momentum. So it's looking pretty good, at least in the short term for SoFi Technologies. Long term, price is still below this downward trend line that I drew off the swing highs. I know it looks kind of off, but on the weekly chart, it fits a little bit better. So this downward trend line right over here is off the swing highs, and price is still kind of below the EMA. And price is still inside this yellow range, which is not a good sign. And the measure move is not reached yet at the 533 level. So again, measure moves aren't always reached. The market moves in attempts. So this was the first attempt that failed to reach the measure target. And this was the second attempt. And this is the third attempt. So you can see there's 3 attempts to reach the measure target. Usually that is the final attempt, the third attempt, or the second attempt of the second attempt. Usually these come in pairs. So this could be the final attempt for the bears, and we could see a strong reversal in the opposite direction. So let's see if that's setting up to occur. Right now it is, because it is finding support right here at the mid sixes. We're seeing a strong rally take place. I want to see a break above the 8, pull back, a small little pullback for higher prices. So this would be the ideal pattern for SoFi to do. Either it pulls back right here at the 8s or even the 9s. So something even higher can even be more bullish. So either one can play out. We'll have to wait and see. I want to see the bullish momentum continue. It's still a little too early to call, but at least the short-term price action is promising. The short-term price action can change the long-term price action direction. So let's see what happens in the next coming days and weeks. But that's all I have for SoFi Technologies on the daily weekly chart. I see that it has been dropping since August of this year, but short term it is bullish. This could be the final attempt by the bears, and it could be failing, and we could see a strong reversal in the opposite direction. So that's what I want to see. I want to see a break of this trend line. I want to see a break over the $8 level, and we'll see what that pullback is. If the pullback is small, then that could lead to further upside, something like this. If the pullback is very strong, then we're probably still going to continue working this way down. So something like that. But this is the first step you want to see. The first step is a strong move up, and then the second step we want to see is a small correction. So let's see what happens in the future. But that's all I have on the daily chart. The first step is still working out. So here's a look at the weekly chart. You see that's below the EMA. I could draw a trend line off of the swing highs. See how this one fits pretty good. Price is still below the trend line. So overall, it's still bearish, but short term, we are seeing a nice move up higher. And the short term price action can change the long term direction. We'll have to wait and see. And again, if a measure move is not reached, we can usually see a strong reversal in the opposite direction. So if we do see a strong reversal in the opposite direction, we could see another leg up higher. So this was the prior leg. And the next leg can start from where we are right now, and that's targeting right around this 1362 level, which coincides with the breakout back here in January of 2022. There was a breakout of these lows, and you can see that price has not tested it yet, so it could come back to test that breakout point. But that's a longer term target. It's maybe sometime next year, March, April. We'll have to wait and see. First, we need to see a break of the $8 level, and then the 9. And then there's a very good chance of reaching the 13s. As right now, that's all I have on the daily and weekly charts. I do see bullish momentum. Maybe we could draw a trend line off of the swing lows from right here and then drag it up. So let's see how well SoFi Technologies respects this upward trend channel. So that's all I have on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.